Subscription boxes have been around for years now, with Birchbox, the company that popularized the concept, now almost 13 years old. In recent years, subscription boxes have taken the world by storm, revolutionizing the way we shop and consume products. From beauty to skincare to food and fashion, subscription boxes have made it easier than ever to discover new products and enjoy a personalized shopping experience. As we enter 2023, the subscription box trend shows no signs of slowing down, and many entrepreneurs are looking to jump on the bandwagon and start their subscription box businesses. If you're considering starting your subscription box in 2023, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll provide you with valuable insights on how to start your own successful subscription box business. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. Number 1. Identify your niche. Identifying your niche is the process of determining the specific area of focusing for your subscription box business. It involves defining the target audience, the types of products or services that will be included in your subscription box, and what makes your offering unique in the market. To identify your niche, you need to consider several factors such as your interests, expertise, and the needs and preferences of your target audience. For example, if you're passionate about sustainable living, you might consider creating a subscription box that features eco-friendly products. Once you have identified your niche, you can start sourcing products, creating a marketing strategy, and building a brand that appeals to your target audience. By focusing on a specific niche, you can differentiate your subscription box from others in the market and create a loyal customer base. Number 2. Source products. Sourcing products means finding and selecting the products that will be included in your subscription box. This involves identifying suppliers or vendors who can provide the products you need at a reasonable cost and meet your quality standards. To source products for your subscription box, you should consider factors such as product quality, price, shipping costs, and delivery time. You should also consider the interests and preferences of your target audience, as this will help you to choose the right products that will appeal to them. You can source products from various channels, such as manufacturers, wholesalers, distributors, and even small businesses or independent sellers. It's important to establish relationships with reliable and trustworthy suppliers to ensure that you have a steady supply of quality products to include in your subscription box. Overall, sourcing products is a critical aspect of running a successful subscription box business. By choosing the right products and suppliers, you can create a compelling and valuable subscription box that customers will look forward to receiving every month. Number 3. Choose a pricing model. Choosing a pricing model is an essential step when starting a subscription box business. There are different pricing models to consider, and choosing the right one depends on your business goals and target audience. Here are some common pricing models for subscription boxes. Monthly subscriptions. This is a popular pricing model where subscribers pay a monthly fee to receive a box of products each month. The cost of the subscription can vary based on the value of the products included in the box, shipping fees, and any other costs associated with running the subscription. Annual subscriptions. Similar to monthly subscriptions, annual subscriptions offer customers a discounted rate if they pay for a year's worth of boxes up front. This pricing model can provide customers with a sense of commitment and loyalty to your brand. One-time purchase. Some subscription box companies offer a one-time purchase option, allowing customers to buy a single box without signing up for a subscription. This can be an excellent way to attract new customers who want to try your products before committing to a subscription. Hybrid model. You can also consider offering a mix of pricing models to cater to different customer needs. For example, you can offer monthly and annual subscriptions as well as one-time purchases. When choosing a pricing model, consider the value of the products you're offering, the costs of running your subscription box business, and the expectations of your target audience. It's also important to be transparent about your pricing and any fees associated with your subscription box to avoid any confusion or disappointment from your customers. Number 4. Create a website. Creating a website is an essential step in starting a subscription box business. Your website will serve as the primary platform for promoting your subscription box, handling orders, and communicating with customers. There are several ways to create a website, but using an e-commerce platform is one of the most popular and convenient options. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce offer pre-built templates and tools to help you create a professional-looking website quickly. These platforms allow you to customize your website's design, add product listings, set up payment gateways, and manage orders and inventory. When creating your website, it's important to consider the user experience. Your website should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and provide clear information about your subscription box and its offerings. Make sure to include high-quality product photos and descriptions to entice customers to subscribe. In addition to design and functionality, you also need to consider search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO involves optimizing your website's content and structure to improve your search engine rankings and visibility. Finally, you need to ensure that your website is mobile-friendly and accessible on different devices. With more and more customers using their smartphones and tablets to browse and shop online, it's essential to have a responsive design that adapts to different screen sizes. Number 5. Develop a marketing strategy. Developing a marketing strategy is essential for the success of any subscription box business. Your marketing strategy should focus on reaching your target audience and driving conversions. Start by defining your target audience and creating buyer personas to help you better understand their needs and interests. Once you have a clear picture of your target audience, you can choose the most effective marketing channels to reach them. Social media is an excellent channel for promoting your subscription box. Create a social media presence on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. You can use social media to showcase your products, offer promotions and giveaways, and share customer reviews and testimonials. Additionally, email marketing can be an effective way to reach your audience directly. Create a newsletter that highlights your latest products, promotions, and updates, and send it to your subscribers regularly. You can also use paid advertising, influencer partnerships, and SEO to increase your reach and drive conversions. Continuously review and adjust your marketing strategy to ensure that you're reaching your target audience effectively and driving results. Number 6. Launch your subscription box. When it comes to launching your subscription box, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Firstly, it's essential to start small and grow your customer base over time. Consider offering a limited time promotion to attract new subscribers, such as a discount on the first box or a gift with the first purchase. This can help generate buzz and create a sense of urgency among potential customers. Once you have launched your subscription box, it's important to continuously promote it through various channels. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to showcase your products and engage with your audience. Consider partnering with influencers to help promote your brand and reach a wider audience. You can also leverage email marketing to keep subscribers engaged and informed about upcoming boxes and promotions. Finally, listen to feedback from your customers and be willing to make changes and improvements to your subscription box over time to ensure its continued success. Number 7. Continuously improve. Continuous improvement is a crucial aspect of running a successful subscription box business. It involves regularly reviewing and analyzing customer feedback, sales data, and market trends to identify areas for improvement and make necessary changes. By continuously improving your subscription box, you can stay competitive, meet customer needs, and increase revenue over time. One way to continuously improve is by soliciting feedback from your subscribers. Encourage them to share their thoughts on the products, pricing, and overall experience of your subscription box. Using this feedback to identify areas for improvement and make changes accordingly. You can also track sales data and monitor market trends to ensure that your product offerings remain relevant and competitive. By staying up to date with the latest industry trends and consumer preferences, you can keep your subscription box fresh and engaging for your customers. Thanks for joining us today to explore the world of subscription boxes. Whether you're an established business owner or just starting, subscription boxes offer a unique and exciting opportunity to connect with customers and build your brand. So what are you waiting for? Start your subscription box today and join the growing number of successful entrepreneurs who are taking advantage of this booming industry. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more great content on the latest trends and insights in the world of e-commerce.